everyone, my name is Brittany Lee Harrod. It is June 15th, 2019, and my major project is on interactive video conferencing. You may ask, what is interactive video conferencing? It's when you're connecting two or more sites, audio or video, through the use of video conferencing equipment. A few examples of interactive video conferencing would be Skype, Zoom, Adobe Connect, Blackboard Collaborate, and Google Plus Hangouts. And I'm going to show y'all a video in just a minute about the Google Plus Hangouts. HHS is a Google school, and so therefore I will actually be using this on a daily basis. So Google Hangouts is free, and it's a video conferencing tool that's available for teachers to use as part of the Google Apps for Education. It allows up to 10 participants to join at one time, and it's a great way to connect your classroom with other classrooms anywhere in the world. So some of the reasons why or how teachers can use Google Hangouts is through broadcasting live sessions. They can share their screen and they can create two-way conversations in a digital format. So another plus to interactive video conferencing is by using Screen-O-Matic app, which is what I'm actually using right now, and it's where I'm able to record these live sessions and load videos to my Google Classroom for students that are unable to attend the Hangout. So therefore, I can upload it and they can come back and watch it at any time. So, like I said, this is just one of the websites that I use, one of my resources. It says that you can use it in the classroom. If they miss the lecture, you can send it to them through this video, and it allows your students to keep up with the curriculum and they don't fall behind. Another example is you're able to take your kids on a virtual field trip. You can do face-to-face collaborate with a subject matter experts. So it's a virtual classroom. You're able to encourage cross-cultural bonding among students and assist them into more tolerant global citizens. Another example is school trips. You can do a visit with world-renowned museums, and you don't have to worry about finding the funding for it. As you know, many schools don't have lots of funding available, and so you have to be creative of ways to be able to show your students the world and let them get those experiences. So this is just another way to do a school trip and let them get that experience. So now I'm going to show you how to do the Google Hangouts. Let's pause. Shoot. Okay, so where we are right now is we are on my Google Plus account. So anyone who has a Google Plus account is able to do this, which, like I said, Hamburg High School is a Google school, so therefore every single one of my students have the Google app. So what you're going to do is you're going to come right here on your Google page, and you're going to go click Home, and then go up here, click on More, and go to Hangouts. So then you click on that. We're going to do This is the class. You can add people. You can start new conversations, but this is where I'll have my classroom set up. So I'll click on that. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to voice call. All right, so we're going to go up here and we are going to video call to start the conference. So as you can tell, I'm calling Emily. And she has joined. So this is where we would take it, and I would be able to speak with the class and go through the presentation and show them how to do whatever lesson we're doing it on. So I'm going to hang up with you now, Emily. So that is that's an example of how to video conference with the Google Hangouts. So now we are going to go back and I'm going to do my reflections. So like I said, interactive video conferencing is a way to keep the learning fun and exciting, and it keeps the students alert because you're face-to-face with them. And like I said, you're able to take them anywhere in the world with doing this. It's another way of learning without being in the same location. So like I said, the AMI days, I'm able to teach my students, even though we're not at school, I'm able to give them their lessons so that we don't fall behind or we don't lose track of where we've been. So this year we had a couple of flood days, and so this would have been very nice to have done, and I will be doing this in the future for sure, because it's just a way to be able to talk with them, and like I said, I am able to record the live sessions. So then what I would do then is go back to my Google Classroom, and my students are able to go to my videos and see what I've taught in the past and be able to review the lessons that I've already taught. And it's a way that if I have a sub in my classroom, my students are able to pull up the Google Classroom and they're able to do their lessons, and I could also video chat with them, and it's like I didn't even miss that day, so they don't fall behind and we can keep going. So that's my presentation. I hope you all enjoyed it. I've learned a lot through doing this, and I hope you have too. Thank you.